Welcome to today's Mobility Everyday video. We'll be doing a routine to unwind the tension in our spine. This routine is very easy to follow, so make sure you do it with me, and it's suitable for anybody at any level. So if you're a beginner, you can also do this. To start, come to sitting on your heels. So prop up your pelvis and your spine in one line, and slowly then move forward with your wrists right under the shoulders. And slowly turn your fingers to face in. We are releasing the wrist joints first, and then turn your fingers to face front. Facing in and facing front. Note that your wrists remain directly under the shoulders. And slowly start to shift your weight back and forth. As you bring your weight forward, your shoulders will go in front of your wrist. As you bring your weight back, your shoulders will go behind your wrist. And we're going to repeat again one more set here. Fingers pointing back while you shift your weight back and forth. That will deepen the release in the wrist joints here, preparing us for the next movements. Then turn your palms to face the front, fingers pointing forward. And now slowly start to curl the spine, looking at your belly button as you curl. And arching the spine, looking in front of you. Note that your wrist is more or less under your shoulders right now. It's only your spine that is moving. Curling in and arching your spine. Now to go deeper, you can bend your elbows while you're arching the spine. It will help us to open up the area between the shoulder blades, especially the upper back, where most of us feel quite a lot of tightness. So when you're in your curl, you can hold it a little bit longer, deepening the curl. When you're in the arch, you bend your elbows, looking in front of you. Do this very slowly, because deep release in the spine needs to be done slowly. We have a lot of joints along our entire spinal column and the sides of our torso as well. So moving slowly helps the tissue to slowly open up, releasing any tightness. Feel the tension slowly releasing out. With each curl, you go deeper. And then you can bring the weight further back as you keep curling and forward. The movement of going back and forth while your spine is in a curl actually helps to release the deeper joints more. Enjoy this. It will feel really good afterwards. Keep looking at your belly button. Keep your spine round and slowly move forward a little bit and to the back. Now repeat the same, but move your weight back and forth in an arch. Sit back and move your spine and your pelvis forward. Sitting back and going forward. As you bring the spine and pelvis back, make sure you don't curl your spine too much. The tendency is to curl as you bring the pelvis back towards your heels. Try not to do that. Keep it as arched as possible. Release. Sit back on your heels and just release your wrist joints. If you feel tightness there especially, just shake it off, flicking your fingers. It will help to release any tension we have in the wrist while doing the movement just now. Now from here, curl your toes under. Reach your arms forward, looking ahead, and try to press your palms down and going deep for your opening across the upper back, and then slowly curl back to sit back on your heels. Do this movement very slowly. Do not rush, because we want to allow the body to slowly relieve any tension we have. Reach your arms a little bit more forward now, opening the underarm areas, arching the upper body especially, pressing your arms down, and slowly curl back, sitting back on your heels, stacking your spine up. Take an inhalation. Curl your toes under and going forward again. Feel yourself going forward a little bit more each time, going for the deep release in the spine. Unwinding our body by releasing the spine. And slowly sit back and curl yourself back. Be sure to open up your fingers as you press your palms down. Stretching out the arms, your triceps, the upper arm, and slowly curl back, scooping the belly in, keeping your spine straight. And now from here, as you reach your arms forward, we're going to go deeper into the release of our torso. Rotate your body from one side to another, looking up from sideways, deepening the arch of the spine. It almost looks like we are swinging a little cradle. That little bit does a lot to release all the sticky bits at the side of our torso, our ribs, in our underarm, and it will feel really good afterwards. Sit back, and we're going to go deeper into a shoulder release with our spine and torso extending and flexing. If you need to, fold your mat so that it's gentler on your knees. Interlace your fingers, curl, bend your elbows, straighten your elbows and look diagonally up, almost like extending your shoulders back as you straighten the arms down. Looking diagonally up, arching, straightening the arms, the elbows, curling to uncoil. Again, arching the spine, looking up, and curling the spine as a release. Arching, and go deeper now. Feel like somebody is straightening your arms further down. And now you're going to curl deeper. Curling, reaching your nose down to the ground with your arms slowly getting higher. And when you arch, your arms are reaching downwards more, straightening the elbows, rolling the shoulders back, curling the spine, scooping the belly in, and continue to straighten your arms and your elbows back. That will help to extend the shoulders more. So you see the movement of the spine and torso actually helps us to go deeper into deeply stretching and opening the shoulders. Inhale, arching the spine, extending the arms and the shoulders to the back. Exhale, curling, looking at your belly button, scooping the belly in, and bringing the arms up as much as you can. Try to pull yourself long here with your arms extending down. Now slowly bring your arms, sweeping it up. Keeping your torso long, inhale with your arms directly vertical to the sky. Arching a little bit here, reaching your arms up. And slowly exhale, curling, and again, arms up, inhale. Exhale, curling, scooping the belly in, crossing your arms in front if you like. Again, inhale, arms up, looking to the sky, opening the chest, and curling, arms crossing in front, scooping the belly in. Again, inhale, broad across the chest. Exhale, scooping the belly in, deep exhalation to squeeze out all the stale air in our abdominal especially. Again, going deeper, opening the arms, arching back, and crossing the arms like you're hugging yourself. Exhale deeply. Inhale, arching back more. Exhale, curling in more. See if you can arch a little bit deeper here, opening the chest and abdominal area more, taking more air, and then deeper into your exhalation. Again, straight. Inhale, and exhale, bring the arms down. Okay, now from here, I'm going to show you this from the front. We're going to just wind down a little bit, bring your pelvis to the outside of your calves, curling and releasing at a diagonal angle here. This will help to open up the lower back even more. At a diagonal angle, we're getting deeper into the joints that we don't normally try to or able to get into. So press your arm down on one side of the leg and bring the pelvis to the outside of the opposite. Do this as many times as you like. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for moving with me, and I'll appreciate very much if you would like, share, subscribe. It will help me a lot to grow my channel. I believe everybody needs mobility move. Doesn't matter how young or how old you are and what you're doing. It is to help us to restore movement and nourish the joints. With that said, keep moving, keep getting better. Our body loves it when we move. We are born to move. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day. Movement has been my form of self-care for over 20 years, and I want to show you how you too can move and take better care of yourself every day.